my channel. This is Jamie. I hope all of you are doing super duper great. कैसे हैं सब लोग? तो guys, this is one channel where you will get all the information about weddings and wedding planning. तो अगर आपने अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, in case you are watching my video for the first time, please do take a look and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video we're going to talk about all the essential things that you need to carry with you on your wedding day. मतलब I know कि शादियों के टाइम पे बहुत सारे महीनों की प्लानिंग होती है, बहुत सारे महीनों से आप सब लोग प्लान कर रहे होंगे कि मतलब क्या क्या लेना है, क्या क्या खरीदना है, what all are the things that you need to carry with you on your wedding. But you know what? लास्ट मोमेंट में ऐसी बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो हम मिस कर जाते हैं. लास्ट मिनट में ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which will be like shit यार ये चीज मैं भूल गई, कहीं ना कहीं से तो लाओ, so such things can happen on your wedding. So I am here to help you for that, कि मतलब ऐसी चीजें ना हो आपके शादी में. इसीलिए मैंने आपके लिए पूरा लिस्ट बनाया है कि क्या क्या चीजें हैं that you need to take care, that you have it with you on your wedding day. So without much further ado, let's get into the video. Let me tell you what are the most important things that you need to carry with you on your wedding day. So guys, first thing that I have on my list is obviously hair and makeup emergency kit. Now coming to hair and makeup emergency kit, coming to makeup first of all, so please make sure that you have at least an eyeliner with you. You have at least a compact and an emergency lipstick with you, the same shade that that you're wearing. So an eyeliner and a lipstick and a compact is a must have for sure. अगर आपके पास एक small mirror होता है तो please do carry it in your bag. It will help you to just keep a check on yourself in between. So do have a small mirror in case you have a smudged kajal that you need to remove or you need to take care of. Make sure you have a small makeup remover and cotton with you. So that's about makeup. Now coming to hair. So now when you come to hair, make sure you have a comb. Make sure you have those bobby pins जिससे आपका hairdo हुआ होगा mostly. तो make sure that you have bobby pins. Make sure you have जो टिक pins होते हैं, make sure you have them, and some extra rubber bands and a hairspray because the shadi is going to obviously stretch for the entire day. तो your hairdo which might look perfect in the morning, during the day थोड़ा इधर उधर हो सकता है, तो उसको ठीक करने के लिए make sure you have a hair setting spray with you. So the next thing that I want to talk about is dress and jewelry. Now there are certain things that you need to take care of and you should not miss out on this. Coming to your dress, you have to make sure that you carry a सुई धागा with you. मतलब ये तो बहुत important है. Please carry a thread and a needle with you. Make sure you have it somewhere because last minute पे कुछ भी tear हो सकता है. That might need a patchwork. तो make sure you have a सुई धागा with you. Also make sure कि safety pins हो. In case you're wearing a sari or a lehenga, whatever, ये चीज actually मुझे एकदम emergency time पे चाहिए था during my संगीत, I remember, and I literally was asking my friends and relatives कि यार safety pin है क्या, किसके पास safety pin है क्या. So make sure you have extra safety pins with you in case you want to patch up something. Now guys, coming to jewelry, I'm sure that your jewelry and everything might be taken care of beautifully, but there are little things that you need to take care of. One thing is that please carry an extra pair of earrings with you. ठीक है, मतलब प्लीज डू मेक श्योर कि एक एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ लॉन्ग इयरिंग्स या जो भी आपकी ड्रेस को मैच कर रहा होगा, एक एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ इयरिंग्स हो आपके साथ कहीं ना कहीं. बिकॉज ये मेरे सिस्टर की शादी में हुआ था. शी हैड अ ब्रोकन इयरिंग एंड वी हैड टू रिप्लेस इट. So make sure you have an extra pair of earring with you that matches your dress, and also make sure that you have an earring का binding जो पीछे वाला जो होता है, make sure you have them also extra because वो भी मतलब गुम हो सकता है last moment. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजों का please ध्यान रखिए. One more thing that I want you to take care of when it comes to jewelry is that make sure you have a Fevikwik with you, okay? Because what happened is मेरे शादी के टाइम पे जब मैं अपना सेट पहन रही थी, वो मेरा नया सेट था, मैंने कभी नहीं पहना था पहले, but still उसमें से एक दो मोती टूट के गिर गया था and I had no gum or anything to fix it और मैंने वैसे ही पहना था. So my necklace, I will actually show you a pic in case if I have, I'll put it up here. तो मेरा जो नेकलेस था उसमें से एक मोती मिसिंग है और मतलब मेरा नया सेट मैंने खुद की शादी में वैसे पहना था. In case I would have had a fix it or a Fevikwik or something, मैं easily उसको चिपका सकती थी, but I didn't have it then. And so make sure that you have a Fevikwik with you. Coming to footwear, In case you can carry an extra pair of sandals because बहुत बार क्योंकि हम नया सैंडल्स पहन रहे होंगे, स्पेशली फॉर द गर्ल्स आप नए वाले हील्स पहन रहे होंगे, तो पूरा दिन हील्स पहन पहन के आप श्योर कि आपका पैर दर्द करेगा. इन केस यू वांट टू डांस, यू माइट नॉट बी एबल टू डांस, सो यू कैन कैरी अ मोर कंफर्टेबल sandals that you can interchange in between. जब आप बैठ रहे होंगे you can sit comfortably in those sandals. And many times it also so happens कि जब आप नए जूते पहन रहे होते हो तो आपको shoe bite हो जाता है and that might really make you uncomfortable. So make sure you also have an extra pair of sandals that you carry onto your venue during your wedding day. Another thing that I want you to carry during your wedding day is the freshen up kit. Now this is something that I totally missed or to carry on my wedding day and I really regret it till today. Shadi is one day where you are literally talking to everyone who's come to your wedding and clicking close pictures and everything. I don't know, at times it might, you really would want some fresh mints and things like that. So make sure you have your mints with you, you have your fresh mints with you. Make sure you have your face wipes with you in case you want to keep yourself fresh. Face wipe ऐसा भी नहीं कि आपका मेकअप ही उड़ जाए, so make sure of that. So but just to keep yourself fresh, make sure you have a small bottle of perfume. Make sure you have some fresh mints with you. Now already we have spoken about this, but I want to re-emphasize on your fix it emergency kit. Please make sure कि आप एक सुई धागा लेके जाएं. Please make sure कि आपके बैग में फेविक्विक या ऐसा कोई adhesive हो. Please make sure you also carry a razor with you. I know that you will be all waxed up during your wedding, but please make sure that you carry a razor with you on your wedding. This is from my personal experience, yeah. And also guys, please do make sure, I noted down something, just a second. Yes, carry a pair of scissors with you. Okay, make sure you carry a pair of scissors with you. I don't know where it's gonna help, but it might help somewhere. तो एक छोटा सा कैची रख लेना अपने बैग में. Now another thing, I'm sure you'll all carry your phones with you, but also carry your charger. Many of us we tend to forget our chargers, but because because we just tend to forget because it's our wedding, इतना याद नहीं रहता. So make sure you carry your phones, your chargers or your power banks with you on your wedding. And it's COVID time. How can we forget masks and sanitizers? Make sure you have your masks, your extra pair of masks for your friends who are not wearing masks, and also sanitizers with you. Make sure of that. I think this should have been the first point, but yeah, anyways, ये तो मतलब it goes without saying, but again, don't forget your masks and sanitizers. Now coming to another thing which I feel is very important and which we all don't pay attention to is शादी के दिन में we all get very stressed out, busy and tired, and I personally I remember मतलब शाम होते होते एक दिन मेरे को पूरा headache होने लग गया था. तो make sure that you have your in case you're taking some medicines, make sure you have your medicines with you on your wedding day. You have it safe. Otherwise also make sure that you have these general medicines for fever or headache or your band-aid, things like that, with you on your wedding day, especially for headache and all. So please do keep it because it's gonna be a long day and you have to get through it. You have to literally smile at everyone, look at 1,000 people's faces and try to remember when did you see them last. So make sure that you have your medicines also with you, and especially crocin or something like that. Another thing, वेडिंग में खाने को लेके बहुत चर्चा होता है. सब लोग खाने के बारे में बात करते हैं कि मतलब खाना बहुत बढ़िया था, ये वो. Two people who have no idea कि उनकी शादी में क्या खाना था, कैसा टेस्ट था, is the bride and the bridegroom. Okay, मतलब ये दो ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको कोई आइडिया ही नहीं होता कि मतलब शादी में कैसे खाना था, because obviously your mind is somewhere else. You will not be able to taste the food and obviously आपके पास टाइम बिल्कुल नहीं होगा आराम से बैठ के खाने का. and especially for the girls I'm sure कि मतलब सुबह से आपका पूरा वो मेकअप सेशन and hairdo and photography session सब कुछ back to back चल रहा होगा, and then you end up going to the venue and obviously the whole ceremonies and things start. Make sure you have your protein bars or you have your Snickers or some kind of thing that you can just grab and take a bite so that you feel fine, or your ORS and water or juice, जो भी है, make sure you have it handy. So guys, I think that's it. And one more thing that I want to tell, जो मेरे को अभी just याद आया about your dress kit and makeup kit. Make sure अगर आप बिंदी वगैरह पहनते हो तो make sure कि आपके पास extra बिंदी का पैकेट हो, because that is something जो मतलब निकल जा सकता है. So make sure that you have it in hand. I think that's it, guys. I think we've pretty much covered an entire checklist that you need to take care of on your wedding day. Please do check out all these things and please do make sure कि मतलब ये सारी चीजें कहीं ना कहीं एक बैग में हो आपके शादी के दिन में आपके साथ, so that your day goes pretty smooth and easy and you can thank me later. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back next week with another video. I'll try to do a DIY wedding decoration soon next week. Thank you so much, guys, and yes, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and making our family 71K right now, and we'll be having a celebration pretty soon by next week. Thank you so much. Take care. See you next week. Bye bye. Lots of love.